Hello everyone. Today we will exercise the story The Tiger and the Mosquito. Let's start. In this story we find new words. First word is angry. 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 Angry means irritate. गुस्सा होना. Angry means irritate, गुस्सा होना. Next is bleed. 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 Bleed means to lose blood. To lose blood is called bleed. खून का बहना. Next is great. 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 Violent contact with somebody or something is called great. Having good qualities. Great means having good qualities or महान. In this, if in the person having good qualities is called a great, महान. Next is hit. 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 Violent contact with somebody or something is called hit. Violent contact. हिट या मारना, किसी को मारना या प्रहार करना. नेक्स्ट इज प्राउड. PROUD. प्राउड. फीलिंग ऑफ प्राउड. घमंड. Proud means घमंड. Feeling of pride is called proud. Next, let's read. I must not hit anyone. I am proud to be an Indian. Reading is for. Next is reading is for. First question is, what was the tiger doing when the mosquito come buzzing by? The tiger was, and answer is, the tiger was relaxing and dozing under the tree when the mosquito came buzzing by. Next question is, why did the tiger's cheek start to bleed? And answer is, tiger's cheek started to bleed because he got hit by his own paw while trying to attack on the mosquito. Tiger's cheek started to bleed because he got hit by his own paw while trying to attack on the mosquito. Next question is, why did the tiger walk away? The tiger walked away because he felt helpless at the last. He felt helpless at last. Next is, let's talk. Why did the mosquito say, I am not afraid of you? And answer is, the mosquito said, I am not afraid of you because the tiger was showing his anger and he believed that everyone should get afraid of him. Because the tiger was showing his anger and he believed that everyone should get afraid of him. Let's share. Say aloud. Next is say aloud. First, bank. 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 Goose. 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 Fan. 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 Lamp. 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 Say aloud. First is BANK. Bank. Next, bin. 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 BANK. Bank. BIN. Bin. Biscuit. 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 BUN. Bun. Goose. 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 Gown. 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 Grey. 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 Gun. 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 Fan. 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 Few. 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 Field. 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 Fish. 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 Lamp. 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 Like. Lick. 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 LIP. Lip. Lose. LILLOSSE. Lose. Next, let's share. What do we learn from this story? What do we learn from this story? The tiger and the mosquito. And the answer is the tiger was relaxing. What do we learn from this story? We learn that everyone has its own quality. We should never underestimate others. We learn that everyone has its own quality. We should never underestimate others. Describe the lion and the tiger. The lion and the tiger. How are they different from each other? From each other. The following are few of the differences between the lion and the tiger. First is the lion is large. The lion is large, brown colored cat. The lion is large brown colored cat, whereas the tiger is a large yellow color cat. We can see the lion is brown color and the tiger is yellow color. Second is often the lion has long and thick hair, long and thick hair, and on the other hand the tiger has black strips on its yellow body, black strips on his yellow body. Next is the lion is a very lazy. The lion is a very lazy animal, whereas the tiger is a very active one. Next, the next is the lion cannot climb a tree. The lion cannot climb a tree, but the tiger can easily climb on the tree. Next, let's write. Fill in the blanks by tracing the dotted words. Fill in the blanks by tracing the dotted words. Let's start. T I G E R. A tiger was dozing under a tree. Next is a mosquito came buzzing by. Mosquito. Mosquito. Next is the tiger hit out with his paw. 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 Next is the mosquito buzzed away. Aw. The mosquito buzzed away. 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 Next is everyone is great in his own way. Great. Great. Next, let's read and write. Ghiskl. Let's start. G H G H I J K L. 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 then G H I J K L G H I J K L. Next, let's do look at the picture below. Look at the picture below, and what are the cat and mouse saying in this picture? In this picture, what are the cat and mouse saying to each other? See in the pictures and tell what are the cat and mouse saying. First question is, what are the mouse and cat saying? Answer is first, cat. Cat said to mouse, the Ghent mouse. The Ghent mouse. The title of the story is The Ghent Mouse. First, the cat say to mouse is, okay, so why are you trying to escape? Okay, why are you trying to escape? Now nobody can save you. I will eat you. Who said? The cat said to mouse. Why are you trying to escape? Now nobody can save you. I will eat you. Now, next, rat say to cat, oh my god, what can I do now? I should jump on the table. I should jump on the table. Oh great, I can use. Oh great, I can use this magnifying glass. This magnifying glass to make her fool. To make her fool. I can use this magnifying glass to make her fool. Now cat saying, oh my god, what is this creature? What is this creature? Let's run and save my life. Let's run and save my life. First say this is in your own language. Now act out the story and say the words and a sentence in English. Thanks for watching.